2026 Honda Goldwing, the undisputed king of the open road. Speed Riders, where we explore the machines that define the riding experience today, we are not just reviewing a motorcycle, we are examining an institution, a machine that has, for decades, represented the absolute zenith of comfort, technology, and performance in the touring world. This is the 2026 Honda Goldwing refined, enhanced, and loaded with even more innovation for the new model year. The Goldwing continues its reign, offering a level of sophistication and capability that remains untouched by any rival. Design and presence commanding comfort and luxury. The Goldwing's design is instantly recognizable, a massive, elegant presence that promises unparalleled comfort and storage. Its signature silhouette, defined by a full fairing and a sleek integrated top box, is both aerodynamic and iconic. For 2026, the design receives subtle but impactful updates, including new color options that accentuate its grand touring lines and refreshed LED lighting that enhances its modern aesthetic. Every detail, from the perfectly contoured seats to the expansive wind protection, is engineered for a single purpose: to make the rider and passenger feel like royalty, no matter the distance. This is a motorcycle that looks as luxurious as it feels. Powertrain and performance: silky smooth, effortless power. At the heart of the Goldwing lies its masterpiece, the horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine. This 1,833 cubic centimeters powerplant is an engineering marvel, renowned for its incredibly smooth, turbine-like power delivery and a distinctive, low center of gravity that aids handling. For 2026, this engine meets the latest global emission standards without sacrificing its character, delivering immense, accessible torque from near idle all the way to the redline, paired with either a slick-shifting 7-speed dual clutch transmission, DCT, or a precise 6-speed manual. The Goldwing's powertrain transforms vast continents into easily manageable segments, offering passing power and cruising refinement that is simply in a class of its own. Technology and innovation: a rolling command center. Step aboard the Goldwing, and you are greeted by a cockpit that rivals a modern luxury automobile. The 2026 model features an updated user-friendly 7-inch TFT full-color display that serves as the hub for an incredible array of technology. This includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing for seamless navigation, communication, and entertainment. The Goldwing's renowned premium audio system provides a concert hall experience on the move. Furthermore, the suite of electronic rider aids is comprehensive, featuring multiple riding modes: hill start assist, sophisticated traction control, and an optional airbag. It is a technological fortress designed to enhance safety, comfort, and connectivity. Riding experience: the ultimate long-distance sanctuary. The true genius of the Goldwing is revealed mile after mile. The riding position is ergonomically perfect, with adjustable seats and handlebars creating a relaxed, commanding posture. The revolutionary double wishbone front suspension soaks up road imperfections with magic carpet smoothness, while the chassis provides surprising agility. For a machine of its size, the combination of vast wind protection, plush seating, and an almost vibration-free experience creates a serene, isolated environment where fatigue is a forgotten concept. It is a motorcycle that doesn't just cover distance, it dismisses it, allowing you to arrive after a 500-mile day feeling as refreshed as when you left. Final verdict: the unchallenged touring sovereign. From Speed Riders, the final verdict is unequivocal. The 2026 Honda Goldwing is not just the best touring motorcycle, it exists in a category it created and continues to dominate. It is a perfect harmony of silken power, revolutionary comfort, and state-of-the-art technology. While other motorcycles may tour, the Goldwing defines what touring means for the rider who demands the ultimate in two-wheeled luxury, who sees the journey itself as the destination. There is no alternative. The 2026 Honda Goldwing remains the undisputed, undefeated king of the open road.